Hi everybody, I'm Andreea, and today's video is all about creating this look with new products for me. They are not all new on the market. Some of them are older, but they're just new on my channel. I figured that it's better to create a look than to just talk about them. Although I have a lot of amazing products to talk about. So if you'd rather have me talking about my favorite products at the moment, I can do that as well. Before we get into this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find the button, it's right there. It's red, subscribe. Click on it. And then click on the ring bell button that's right next to it. This way you will not miss any of my videos. Now if you'd like to see how I've created this look, then please keep on watching. You can probably tell the massive difference between my face and my body. It's not just self-tan. Self-tan was not enough at some point, you know. I thought I should take it to the next level and use some body makeup that I actually received from a friend of mine, Ashley. This is the Vita Liberata Body Blur, and it's like makeup for your body. I mean, check this out. It's beautiful, but I have stains all over my clothes now. Like this white top became like beigey. I think it's great for pictures, but if you're a bride, it's gonna ruin your dress. So maybe not. All right, full face using new products. I'm going to start with this Huda Beauty primer. She just released these two primers. One is Matte Perfection and the other one is Complexion Perfection. Both of them are pre-makeup based. One is very like silicone-y, the one that's making you super matte, and the other one is very hydrating, like super hydrating, super dewy. And she says she's using them both. I mean, she's mixing them. My skin is not too oily, so I'm going to use the glowy one in here where I'm normally dry. And then with the other one, the Matte Perfection, I'll just use it on the center of my face. Before I'm putting the foundation, I'm going to try this Vita Brightening CC Serum. I will apply it with a brush. This is a Japanese brush. Yep, way too dark, but since you can see that body makeup makes a huge difference between my face and my body. No, I want to apply it with my fingers. It's super glowy. Super glowy. If I would have had a tan, this would have been just perfect. Now, foundation. Born This Way from Too Faced. I'm using the color Praline. It looks like it's my color. I mean, with the neck. Can you guys see this coverage? I got closer because I wanted you to see how this foundation looks like. If this is not new, then I don't know what else is. This is the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. And I'm gonna use warm beige. Apply like this first and then use a brush. This is the Morphe E20 brush. I don't like it when the concealer is way lighter than the rest, especially for a daytime makeup. I mean, this is definitely not going to be a daytime makeup. What's left on my brush, I'm applying on the eyelids. And then with the damp beauty blender, I like to take the excess with this part that was clean. When you do this, you also like press the product into your skin. I'm going to use the Makeup Forever HD Stick Foundation in Y505 just to give my face a little bit of warmth. I'll take it with a Morphe G40 brush. This is Holy Grail. It's going to change your life. I'm gonna cook for you, do laundry. I was just kidding. I wanted to see if you're still paying attention to me. But seriously now, this is the best brush in the world. Basically, it does the job for you. And as you can see, I'm pressing the foundation into my hairline. Now I'll set everything with loose powder, and I'm gonna use this Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder. I've already tried it and I love it. Always make sure that your concealer has not creased, because it will crease without the powder. So do this step first, and then don't even blink. Take some powder on your brush and then just... By the way, I'm using banana bread color. I will apply some powder on my forehead, nose. I've done my eyebrows off the camera, and I've been using this signature brow from Kat Von D. This is in light brown. For the eyes, I have so many options, guys. I received like a bunch of palettes. Like this one from Urban Decay. This is the Born to Run palette. Look how beautiful this is. It has every single color you could possibly be dreaming of, and they're super pigmented. Like, check this out. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna use that one. Don't kill me for that, because I bought this palette when I was in New York. This is from a new brand for me. It's called Il Maquillage. And I saw this brand on Instagram. They intrigued me so much to check out their account on Instagram. It's super, super cool. It's like, this is not makeup for minimalists. I feel like everybody's doing a video with Born to Run, so this wins, okay? I do want to mention that I don't have any new bronzer. Nothing new. So I'm going to use my good old Marc Jacobs. This is the same one, Omega Bronze, that I'm using since forever, but it's just a different packaging. Ready for summer. So pretty. I'm just going to use the bronzing powder as a transition shade, since this palette doesn't really have one. I'm using a Smith 230 brush. And since I am at this point with the bronzing powder in front of me, I'm going to use this Japanese brush and bronze up my skin a little bit. I say a little bit a lot, even when it's not a little bit. Under your cheekbone. So you see how this brush has like a perfect shape. And when I bronze, I do this kind of motion. This color right here, and I'm applying it with a Japanese flat brush. With the same dark color and with the same 230 brush from Vita, I'm just applying it on the lower lash line. And then with this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Roche, I will use it on my waterline. And do you remember when I've used the bronzer in my crease? Well, I'll take that same brush from Smith 230 with a little bit of that bronzing powder and apply it right here on my lower lash line, just connecting the eyeshadow with the rest of the skin. I like to have a really nice transition. I want to make it a little bit darker on the outer corner. I gotta tell you something, it had no fallouts, 0 fallouts. Now with the Smith 253 brush, I'll just take the lightest color in the palette and apply it on my inner corner. I feel the need for a little bit more contrast, so I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Beautiful packaging. Come on, focus. And it's so thin, super thin. Let's see if I can still apply eyeliner on me, because I might have forgotten. This eyeliner is so nice. I'm gonna use now this mascara from Ico. This is the Beige Waterproof Mascara. I'm not sure about this mascara because I have to see it when I'm not wearing an eyeliner. I don't know, I just can't judge. I'll use it on my lower lashes as well. What is it that I don't like? I had it really close by. I shouldn't have. I'm applying this color, this orangey. This is in Beige. A little bit in my crease. And also on my lower lash line. There was just something missing, you know? I like it. I like it better now. Here it's like empty. This is so much better. I need to apply some falsies. House of Lashes Iconic Mini. So Iconics, the classic ones are super big. They literally get all the way till here for me. And then Iconic Lit, they're a little bit lighter, but still they're super long. And these Iconic Minis for me are like the best. Can you feel the wind? For the blush, I have the new Laura Mercier. This is in Grapefruit. I like this one. They're supposed to be super long wearing. I'm taking it with a Smith 118 brush. These are pigmented. Hyper Real Glow from MAC. I'll mix the first two colors. I'll use this 134 brush from Zoeva. For the lips, you know I like a good liner, and I'll use MAC Strip Down Classic. Now that my lips are super overlined, let's go on with lipstick. Huda Beauty Demi Matte Lipstick. This is a beautiful formula. It's, like they said, it's demi matte. And this color in particular is Shiro. So this is super pigmented, and I like to apply most of it on the center of my lips. Then with the finger, I like to spread it. It feels a bit minty on the lips. Let's go on with a touch of gloss. This is from Fenty Beauty, Bilingual. Now guys, let's just set the makeup in place, and I'm gonna use the MAC Fix Plus. This is the one that smells like coconut. I don't even know why I'm doing this, because I'm going straight to bed after I'm finishing this. Alright guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm feeling so much better now that I'm starting to put all my makeup in place, and I have my lights and everything set up so I can film. I feel so much more inspired, and I hope I'm gonna come up with a lot of looks for you. I did not forget about the video where I'm going to talk about my weight loss, workout, and everything that I did to lose weight. So stay tuned, that's gonna come very soon. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also click on the ring bell button so you'll be notified when I'm posting a new video. Follow me also on Instagram. I'm super active on Insta stories. Comment down below if you're coming from Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Feel the wind. Can we feel an outro? No? Why is my armpit green? Why?
Sometimes I just want to give myself a hug.
I like it. They're supposed to be super long wear. I might not use all the cool terminology, but I'm pretty cool.